Finding ASCII value for each letter of every master like this? That's tiresome.
Nah, a small program will get the work done.
We can use a loop to reduce typing and repetition.
Yeah! 4. We use while for a loop program, right?
While loop isn't the only kind of loop, Theo.
There's also the for loop. Let's run it first.
For number in range 0, 5.
The program is telling Mr. Python to display numbers from 0 to 4.
Yup, and in sequence.
Help me understand more.
Okay, Mr. Python wants the loop for each number in the range of 0 to 5.
The loop starts with the first number, which is 0 here.
So, the variable number holds 0.
Wait, how do we use a variable here without creating it?
We did create one. Look at the first line of the program.
Oh, this number here is a variable.
Exactly. When we write for loop, we create a variable just after the word for.
Next, Mr. Python moves to the instructions of the loop.
So, what's the instruction?
A print command which prints the variable number.
Correct. So, what will the program display?
Since the variable number holds 0, Mr. Python should display 0.
My boy.
And after displaying 0, Mr. Python goes to the start of the second loop.
Now the variable holds the next number from the range 0 to 5.
Which is number 1.
Right. And Mr. Python continues to repeat instructions until
He displays the numbers to 5.
Wrong.
Till number 4. When we say range 0 to 5, the range starts from 0 and ends at the number just before 5.
So, numbers in the range are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Yep, and that's why the loop stops at 4.